Hi dear students, how are you? Hope you will be fine. I am here with a new mathematical problem. This problem is looking very complicated and we have to find the value of x. But remember that this question is very simple. We have to find the value of x, and inside the parentheses there is 7 raised to power 7 and whole power is 0. Remember that any number which have power 0 is equal to 1. So that is number and its power is 0. So its answer will be 1. Now 7 raised to power 0 will be 1 and its power is 7, which is equal to 8 raised to power x minus 1. So further simplify it, it will be 1 over 1 raised to power 7 will be equal to 1. And here it is 8 raised to power x minus 1. 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. And here it is 8 raised to power x minus 1. 1 can be written as we know that any number which have power 0 is equal to 1. So 8 power 0 will also be equal to 1. So 8 power 0 will be equal to 8 power x minus 1. So 8 as bases are same, so these are cancelled. It means 0 is equal to x minus 1. So the value of x will be equal to 0 plus 1. So x will be equal to 1, which is our required answer. Thank you.